Hi friends, today we are going to make an veg pulao. Ingredients are needed: carrot and cap, beans, sliced onions, green chilies, oil, salt to taste, water. First, take a microwave safe bowl and put a carrot on it. Then beans, onions, green chilies, salt to taste, only for the vegetables, not for the rice. I pre-cooked the rice. And some little amount of water. While we are cooking in microwave, that water is not so required. So much water is not required. So I use little much water. And I stir with a spoon. Nice stir. If you want any masalas, you can add. This is so good in taste. Take the onions and add some little amount of oil into it. I used 4 tablespoons of oil in a cup. In this cup, I used 1 tablespoon of oil, I think so. Okay, it's done. I keep this vegetables in microwave for 10 minutes in high. I have half cup of pre-cooked rice and salt, and the vegetables done. The vegetables done now. I added some red chili into it, so it look in this color, light as a half teaspoon of red chilies. And I'm going to add this plain rice into it. A good stir, and after stirring, I'm going to add little bit of salt for the rice. I already added salt for the vegetables to cook. Now I'm going to add some little amount of salt for rice. This much is enough. It's really good, and it is aroma is too nice. Without lumps, you want to mix this vegetable and this. This is done now. I'm going to keep this rice and vegetable in oven for 2 minutes only, to lightly fried. Now the pulao is ready to serve. The aroma is so good, and it is nicely roasted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below.